Hi mga langga! So ayan, may order tayo na kakarating lang and boom! And ayan, inisa-isa ko sila nilabas. So, yung una yung first two pillowcases. At yung isa pillowcases pa rin. So, most of the colors were from a shades of brown, beige, at saka white. Since color of the year natin is Mocha Mouse. Kaya ayan, so nakapag-decide na ako na mag-order at saka i-theme ko for my mini living room for this 2025. At saka yan pala sa naka-cartoon guys. Yun yung mala statue, Greek gods inspired. At saka may hole yan sa gitna ng ulo niya guys. So, kumbaga lagayan ng mga pens or it could be makeup brushes. Yan yung static flowers natin. And then, ayan, sofa cover. At saka pillowcase, pwede naman. At saka sa pangulian yung table guys. Pero mamaya ko na siya symbol. Kaya ayan. All of these were from Shein products. And yeah, it's so nice.